You just found the 2020 INFINITI QX60. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy every adventure to the fullest in this safe and luxurious QX60. From its driver assist tech, to its soothingly peaceful cabin, to its flexible cargo space and powerful performance, this premium SUV makes travel a delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, power liftgate, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Feel eager for road trip adventures in this superbly crafted QX60. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.